This tutorial is to show you how to set up Minecraft as a portable app so that you can have multiple distributions that don't interfere with each other. If you're not familiar with portable apps, I'll show you what they look like. PortableApps.com produces this completely free, and you can put a whole bunch of things in, either that are officially portable or that you have made portable. You'll see on this one that I have two versions of Minecraft there, 1.12.2 and 1.15.2. These are both modded versions. They are entirely separate from each other, and in fact this whole distribution is on my D drive. You can put them onto USB sticks, external drives, even shared drives, so there's a lot of use for these things. We'll close that off for the moment. Now, the first job you must do is to protect your existing Minecraft install if you've got one. So here is in Program Files x86, and we've got my Minecraft one there, so we want to rename that. And we'll call it Minecraft Old, so that that's now protected. You need to do something similar with your .minecraft folder in App Data. So to get to App Data, go to the users, choose your username and then App Data. If App Data is not visible, make sure that Hidden Items is enabled here. While you're at it, if you haven't already got it, File Name Extensions. App Data, Roaming, there's the .minecraft. Again, we need to rename that because if I see what's in there, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I'm currently using and I don't want to lose. So again, we'll call that Old. There we go. Now the next thing to do is to make a folder for your new distribution. I would suggest we use users public because this is available to any user of your computer if you've got many users on it. It's also easy enough to move it from place to place, put it on different drives, give it to other people, whatever you want to do. So we're going to create a new folder here called PortableApps. It's important to keep the format and the name exactly as you see it there with the camel case PortableApps, which is how the PortableApps.com would have set it up if we were running their system. Now inside PortableApps you want another folder, and you could have other games and other applications all in here, so we'll create one called Minecraft Portable. Now inside there we need another folder, and we'll just call this one plain old Minecraft. And then inside that we need yet another folder. We'll explain why you need so many levels of folders later. This one called MCP_data. And then finally inside that one is your .minecraft. So this is the equivalent of your app data one. New folder. .minecraft. Now to make it work you have to add another dot at the end of it. So it's .minecraft. Then press the enter key. Windows will rename it as .minecraft. So everything's now set up. Go back up to MCP data so that you're in the Minecraft folder with MCP data there ready for you to go. Next thing to do is to download Minecraft.msi. So let's move this across. This I found to be the easiest to get to it. So it's the official Minecraft place to get it from, but it saves going through a bunch of menus and so on. It's just there ready to go. So the one you need is Minecraft.msi. Don't get the executable file. So download that. I've already done so, so I won't click that. And here is my folder of downloaded files. We will be using all of these during the setup, but for the time being the only one we want is that one, Minecraft installer.msi. Make a copy of it, don't just drag it across. Good, now we'll double click that to start it. I'll move the window that's popped up onto my other screen here. Go next. Now because we've already installed Minecraft, it's challenging us to either repair it or remove it. Now you can try, but don't bother, just simply remove it. You won't destroy, because you've renamed it, you won't destroy anything there. So we remove, finish. You'll notice now that the MSI file that we copied over earlier has self-deleted. That's why I copied it, so we can now paste it in again and we run it again. Again, I'll drag it in from the other screen and we're ready to go. Now it wants to install, but obviously it wants to install to the default location, which is not where we want it. So first thing to do is to untick that. We do not want a desktop connection. That's very important. Go back to this one and highlight this, Control C, go back to the installer, Control V. So we're now going to put this in our brand new users public portable apps Minecraft portable Minecraft folder. Make sure that's unticked. Next, and off it goes. Takes a moment or two. There we go. Now very, very important, do not start after closing. Untick that. Very, very important. Finish. Reason being, we do not want this to run as it is, because that will install everything in the default location, so we've wasted our time. We no longer the installer, so you can delete that one. Now the next thing we need is a Visual Basic launching script that will inject into this Minecraft launcher the new location that we want to use it. So create a new text document and call it, for example, launcher. But importantly, we need to change the extension from text to VBS, which is short for Visual Basic Script. Windows will complain, ignore it. We've now got a launcher VBS. It's completely empty, of course, so I will edit it with Notepad++. Whatever text editor you have is the one you can use. Now again, I have downloaded a VB script to do this for you in my paste bin. So there's the link, again that will be in the description below. This is my paste bin account, and this is the script that you want to copy. So Control C, move it out the way, Control V, and this is our script. I won't go into the details of how it works at the moment. Just very briefly is that you're creating a variable that contains the current path of where the script is running. You're then going to launch Minecraft launcher.exe, which is Mojang's launcher, but you're specifying the directory of where it wants to run, which is our new folder plus mcpdata.minecraft. So we'll make sure that that is saved so that the script will run, and we can get rid of this, we don't need it anymore. So our VBS file will now launch Minecraft launcher, but use this directory. So double click that. Now on the other screen, which I'll see if I can drag across, we've got a bunch of stuff that's happening, and you'll see that new folders are being created in here. Runtime, which it's doing now, is it's installing its own version of Java in here, which is quite convenient, because if you haven't put Java on your machine, it doesn't stop you from running the Java edition of Minecraft. There we go, that's all ready to go. So I'm just going to drag this to my other screen while I log in. Keep yourselves amused that. Almost done. That's the username and password, if I can remember it. Hopefully that's it. That's it. Yep, we're going. Right, I'll drag that one back. There we are. So we've now logged in. Do not press play. And you can see the latest release at this time is 1.15.2. Now the one I want us to use is 1.12.2, because we're going to use a number of mods including Computercraft, and the last version that it will run on is 1.12.2 at the moment. So go to Installations, add New, and then choose Release 1.12.2. There it is. Let's give it a name. The obvious, I suppose, would be Minecraft 1.12.2. Now, the game directory, if we've set this up correctly, this should now be not default as in appdata.minecraft, but our newly set up one. So to check that, if you hit Browse, you'll get this thing popping up, and sure enough, it's in Users, Public, Portable Apps, Minecraft Portable, Minecraft.minecraft. So that's exactly where it should be. So we don't need to bother with that. We can cancel that and leave the default directory. So create that, and you've now got a new version of the game. You need to run it once to make sure that all the additional files are set up. So I'll hit play button there. So this is downloading a bunch more stuff. We can shut that off, we don't need that anymore. And mcp data.minecraft, yep, we're getting a whole bunch of things in there, which is what it's downloading now. Hope this doesn't take too long, otherwise I'll have to edit it out. Not too bad. Okay, we're good to go. So we'll go back up. Oops, too far. There we go. Now, anytime you want to run Minecraft from now on, do not double-click Minecraft Launcher.exe, because that will start installing everything into the default location. Over here, we've got the newly launched Minecraft 1.12.2 with the annoying music playing. We don't actually need to do anything at the moment, so we'll quit the game. Next stage is to install the Forge. So we'll break at this point, and I'll come back to that in a moment.